Unit 127. In, on, at, other uses. A. In the rain, in the sun, in the shade, in the dark, in bad weather, etc. We sat in the shade. It was too hot to sit in the sun. Do not go out in the rain. Wait until it stops. The shade. Write in ink, in pen, in pencil. When you do the exam, you are not allowed to write in pencil. Also write in words, in figures, in capital letters, etc. Please write your name in capital letters. Write the story in your own words. Do not copy somebody else. B. Fall in love with somebody. They are very happy together. They are in love. In my opinion, the movie was not very good. B. On TV, on television, on the radio. I did not watch the news on television, but I heard it on the radio. On the phone. I have never met her, but I have spoken to her on the phone a few times. B. Go on strike. There are no trains today. The drivers are on strike. B. Go on a diet. I have put on a lot of weight. I will have to go on a diet. Be on fire. Look, the car is on fire. On the whole, in general. Sometimes I have problems at work, but on the whole I enjoy my job. On purpose, intentionally. I am sorry. I did not mean to annoy you. I did not do it on purpose. C. On holiday, on a trip, etc. we say, B. Go on holiday, on business, on a trip, on a tour, on a cruise, etc. I am going on holiday next week. Emma is away on business at the moment. One day I would like to go on a world tour. You can also say go to a place for a holiday. For my holidays, Steve has gone to France for a holiday. D. At the age of, etc. we are now flying at a speed of 800 kilometers an hour and at an altitude of 9,000 meters. We say at the age of 16, at 120 miles an hour, at 100 degrees, etc. Tracy left school at 16. Or, at the age of 16. The train was traveling at 120 miles an hour. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Unit 127. Exercises. 127.1. Complete the sentences using in plus the following capital letters: cold weather, love, my opinion, pencil, the rain, the shade. 1. Do not go out in the rain. Wait until it stops. 2. Matt likes to keep warm, so he does not go out much in cold weather. 3. If you write in pencil and make a mistake, you can rub it out and correct it. 4. They fell in love almost immediately and were married in a few weeks. 5. Please write your address clearly, preferably in capital letters. 6. It is too hot in the sun. I am going to sit in the shade. 7. Amanda thought the restaurant was okay, but in my opinion it was not very good. 127.2. Complete the sentences using on, plus the following: business, a diet, fire, holiday, the phone, purpose, strike, TV, a tour, the whole. 1. Look, the car is on fire. Somebody called the fire brigade. 2. Workers at the factory have gone on strike for better pay and conditions. 3. Soon after we arrived, we were taken on a tour of the city. 4. I feel lazy this evening. Is there anything worth watching on TV? 5. I am sorry. It was an accident. I did not do it on purpose. 6. Richard has put on a lot of weight recently. I think he should go on a diet. 7. Jane's job involves a lot of traveling. She often has to go away on business. 8. A. I am going on holiday next week. B. Where are you going? Somewhere nice. 9. A. Is Sarah here? B. Yes, but she's on the phone at the moment. She would not be long. 10. A. How was your exam? B. Well, there were some difficult questions, but on the whole it was okay. 127.3. Complete the sentences within, on or at. 1. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. 2. When I was 14, I went on a trip to France organized by my school. 3. There was panic when people realized that the building was on fire. 4. Julia's grandmother died recently at the age of 79. 5. Can you turn the light on, please? I do not want to sit in the dark. 6. We did not go on holiday last year. We stayed at home. 7. I hate driving in fog. You cannot see anything. 8. I would not be here next week. I will be on holiday. 9. Technology has developed at great speed. 10. Alan got married at 17, which is rather young to get married. 11. I heard an interesting program on the radio this morning. 12. In my opinion, violent films should not be shown on television. 13. I would not like to go on a cruise. I think I would get bored. 14. I should not eat too much. I am supposed to be on a diet. 15. I would not like his job. He spends most of his time talking on the phone. 16. The Earth travels round the Sun at 107,000 kilometers an hour. 17. Did you enjoy your holiday? Not every minute, but on the whole, yes. 18. A lot of houses were damaged in the storm last week.